This is what my living room looks like today. It's a little bit, that corner probably won't change much. I'll have to do something to make it different, but that's where the TV pretty much has to stay.
Oh, it doesn't.
It doesn't?
Why does it?
Well, because that's where the cable comes in.
There ain't no cable.
Oh, that's right.
Jesus.
Oh, I totally forgot about that.
Got rid of it.
I'm the one who got rid of the cable. I did. I'm the one who got rid of the cable. My TV can go anywhere now. Oh, that's so exciting because I am going to totally redo this room. So welcome to my world. I'm really glad that you're here.
And welcome to my world.
You can tell Dave is super excited about it too. I don't know if my mic picked that up. He said, welcome to my world. Maybe he wasn't quite so enthusiastic about it. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. Alrighty then, here is what we look like now. We're replacing this couch. I just took some pictures of it so we could get it listed on Marketplace and hopefully sell it soon. And then that blue chair there, that will be going when we get Mom's new chair. Mom has ordered herself a lift chair for out here because it's harder and harder for her to get up. But there we go. There's my new living room. And then you can see I've left a great big open space there. And that is for me to exercise. I know that Dave will have a big laugh when I tell him that I'm leaving this big open space for me to exercise, but oh my gosh, y'all, I'm going to be 60 next year, and I am so out of shape, it's not even funny anymore. It's if I don't start exercising and developing my muscle tone now, then by the time I'm 70, I'm not even going to be able to walk anymore. So that is going to be my goal for this coming year, is going to be to develop some more toned muscles. And so you guys will be coming along on that journey with me too, as I've got like a Wii Fit, and I've got a bunch of other discs for the Wii that I can use, like some dancing ones and some belly dancing ones, and just a bunch of exercise stuff that I've had for years that I need to actually start using. Slowly, I will start slowly, because I have a tendency to overdo it like the first day that I exercise, and then I'm so sore the next day that I don't even want to move, and I sure as heck am not going to exercise, and then it turns into 2 years between exercise sessions, and that is not good. My sister, Lana, whom several of you have met, is consistently saying, if you don't take care of your health, or if you don't make time to take care of your health, you will make time to take care of your illness. And that is so true. I don't know how many people I've seen. I mean, not a lot, but you know, if you don't use it, you lose it. So I need to start using it. And this big open space in my living room is going to motivate me. So anyway, that is the basics of my living room makeover for now. I hope you've enjoyed watching me sweat away, because now I am quite sweaty, but I like it. I like it. I love having this big open space. I don't know how much I'll like the couch being my TV spot, but we are going to be replacing this with a dual recliner for Dave and I to curl up on and watch movies and stuff. So that will happen eventually, maybe after the holidays. Maybe. I don't know. Sometime. I have to rein myself in from buying new things, because as I mentioned in one of my other videos, I haven't worked hardly at all this year. I mean, I have done a few things, but not enough to really count for much of anything in helping income-wise. So yeah, I can't say I'm just going to go and buy stuff anymore. But we've started saving, and hopefully we'll be able to replace this couch soon. Because honestly, we bought this hide-a-bed thinking that people would come visit us and they would come and stay on our hide-a-bed, but it's maybe been used a half a dozen times in the, how long have we had it? We got it in 2014, so that's 8 years that we've had this, and it probably hasn't even been used 8 times. So it is kind of comfortable, but it doesn't recline anywhere. And so Dave and I have talked about it, and we would really like to get something where we can sit and watch movies together and recline and relax. And yeah, so that is our goal for this room. But for now, it's done. And I thank you for coming and hanging out with me. I appreciate every minute that you come and spend with me. And I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take good care of yourself. Bye now.